There are dozens of plastic welders on the market, so it's important to understand their capabilities in order to make the right choice. Much like when looking for the best welders for beginners at metalwork, buyers should know that some tools are more user-friendly than others, as beginners learn how to weld plastic, and some are more suited to professional tasks. To choose from, there are a variety of plastic welders of 2023, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best plastic welders of 2023 from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Altern 100W Hot Stapler Plastic Welding Repair Kit. The Altern Hot Stapler can be used as a standard airless plastic welder, melting rods into splits or cracks to form a repair. However, it also can heat metal staples that are then embedded into the plastic components, holding them together with tremendous strength. Plastic can then be smoothed over the top to conceal the staple and provide a neat finish. This is an ideal solution for cracked bumpers, lighting surrounds, and dashboards, and can also be used for motorcycle fairings and luggage, lawn-mower decks, etc. The 100W gun is well balanced and heats up quickly. And LED work light built into the front helps users see their work in dark areas, and overload protection prevents overheating. The Altern Hot Stapler Plastic Welder comes in a useful case with a utility knife, snips, 400 assorted staples, and 2 plastic welding rods. It meets the European C standard for safety. Number 2. Jounjip Plastic Welding Repair Kit 120 volts. The Jounjip Plastic Welding Repair Kit is basically an upgrade to the budget model offered by TruePower. The welder is the same low-cost but reliable 80W unit, but the kit comes with a larger and more versatile set of accessories. This kit includes 2 tips, but it's a little disappointing to find they are both the same. A speed tip would have been a nice alternative. However, tips wear out eventually, so having 2 provides for long-term use. There are 20 welding rods suitable for plastic bins and buckets, furniture, kayaks, toys, and vehicles. In addition to including the usual reinforcing mesh, the kit also has 5 aluminum repair tapes that can add tremendous strength, particularly for automotive repairs. The Jounjip plastic welder is also O-listed, so it meets independent safety standards recognized in the US and Canada. Number 3. Seacon Heat Gun 1800W Variable Temperature Control. The Seacon Heat Gun is extremely popular. It's powerful, versatile, and very inexpensive. 2 power modes can deliver airflow of 190 to 210 liters min, or 250 to 500 liters min, and temperature is variable, from as low as 122 degrees Fahrenheit up to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit. Particularly good at heating large parts quickly, and with 4 included nozzles, the Seacon Heat Gun also can be used for shrink wrapping cables, soldering copper pipes, bending PVC, and stripping paint. Overload protection protects the heat gun and provides operator safety. A useful wire stand allows the gun to sit upright, preventing damage to desk or bench while it cools. At 5¼ feet, the power cord is a little short, and the welder does not come with a case. Plus, it is difficult to focus on small areas with heat guns, or to achieve the kind of smooth finish that airless plastic welders can provide. Number 4. Bondic Pro UV Resin Kit Liquid Plastic Welding Kit. The Bondic Pro uses a unique approach to repairing plastic, which strictly speaking isn't welding. It doesn't use heat, but relies on an LED UV light instead. However, this method still can provide effective repairs with unrivaled accuracy. The fine tip of the Bondic Pro can apply a precise amount of liquid plastic to a crack or break. The UV light then hardens the plastic. When dry, which takes just a matter of seconds, it is non-toxic, heat-resistant, and waterproof. Users can then sand and paint the repair if necessary. In addition to various plastics, the Bondic Pro can repair wood, metal, rubber, ceramics, and fabrics. The Bondic Pro system is more effective than most glues, but it does not fully bond plastics in the same way as welding, so repairs don't have quite the same strength. The tool comes with 2 tubes of adhesive and a neat metal case. Number 5. Bayenlife 1600W Plastic Hot Air Welder Heating Gun. The Bayenlife Heat Gun is an easy-to-use tool that provides good versatility, thanks to its 5 nozzles. In particular, the tool includes 2 speed nozzles, one for triangular welding rods and one for round. This makes it ideal for welding plastic seams on tarpaulins, truck curtains, and vinyl pool linings. The welder also has the power for heavy-duty repairs if necessary. Airflow can vary, up to 230 liters min, via a collar that has useful suggestions for different material settings. Temperature control is on the back of the unit. Though the 1 through 8 positions are a bit hit and miss until users get accustomed to performance. The kit also contains a silicone roller that can help make smooth repairs if necessary. The kit includes welding rods for polyethylene and PVC, though only one of each, and has no case. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.